viewers, today I am going to give you a computer quiz questions and answer. This quiz is made in HTML and there are so many scripts which are used to give you a view proper. So if you want, then I will teach in HTML, but just now I am giving you a question and you have to give the answer. So the first question is, COBOL is widely used in applications: commercial, scientific, splice, and mathematics. What is the answer? Just guess and give the answer, otherwise I will give you answer. COBOL is widely used in application. It is a commercial application. Then second is 1 byte equals to 8 bits, 4 bits, 2 bits and 9 bit. It is very easy, it is very elementary question. So you must give the answer. So the answer is 8 bits. Which of the following is not one of the 4 major data processing functions of the computer? Gathering data, processing data into information, analyzing data or information, storing the data or information. Again I am repeating it. Which of the following is not one of the 4 major data processing functions of a computer? Gathering data, processing data into information, analyzing the data or information, storing the data or information. So can you guess? So the right answer is gathering data is not the work of the computer. It's work of the operator or user. Fourth question is, dash is the data that has been organized or presented in a meaningful fashion. That is a process, software, storage or information. So what is which data is that has been organized or presented in a meaningful fashion? The information is the data that has been organized or presented in a meaningful fashion. Next is, computer gather data, which means that they allow user to the data. Option is present, input, output and store. So guess which is the correct answer. Computer gather data, which means that they allow user to present, input, output or store data. Answer is input. Next question, worm was made up 1 program, 2 programs, 3 programs, all of the above. What is a worm? Do you know? It is a virus program. So it is a 1 program, 2 program, 3 program or all of the above. The answer is 1 program because it is a 1 virus. Trapdoor could be included in compiler, pose a difficult problem because detect them both A and B, none of these. Answer is pose a difficult problem because detect them. Which is not a good web security strategy? First is restrict access to the web server, keep a minimum numbers of ports open. Restrict access to the web server, keep a minimum number of ports open. सर्वर पे एक्सेस नहीं देगा और पोर्ट कम कर देगा. Limit the users who can load software, edit or add files. If the less user will use, then the security will not be disturbed. Add demo programs so user can test system without accessing production data. Add demo program so user can test system without accessing production data. Fourth is remove unnecessary compiler and interpreter. Answer is remove unnecessary compiler and interpreter. The altering of data so that it is not usable unless the changes are undone. Which data is not be readable if we undone that data? The biometric compression, encryption, and ergonomics. The answer is encryption. I told you several times what is encryption and decryption. When we encrypt data, then you can't read it or you can't understand it, and when you decrypt it again, then you will get the correct form of data. The next question is the word FTP stand for File Transfer Translate Protocol, File Transit Protocol, File Typing Protocol, File Transfer Protocol. I teach you a protocol chapter whole and the answer is File Transfer Protocol. The first step in the transaction processing cycle captures business data through various modes such as optical scanning or an electronic commerce website. Repeating it, the first step in the transaction processing cycle capture business data through various modes such as optical scanning or at the electronic commerce website. Options are document and report generation, database maintenance, transaction processing startup, and data entry. Answer is data entry. 12th, An is a special visual and audio effect applied in PowerPoint. So many quizzes and so many things I told you in PowerPoint, and its implement on to the text or content. So what is the answer? Animation, flash, wipe and dissolve. Flash, wipe and dissolve are the effects, and animation have all these effects. So the answer is animation. Next question is when the pointer is positioned on a dash, it is shaped like a hand. Grammar error, formatting error, screen tape or hyperlink. This is the cursor, it is not a hand. So when it will become into hand? The answer is hyperlink. The personal computer can be connected together to form a server, supercomputer, network and enterprise. Server is different thing. Supercomputer is a entity, separate entity, and network. When you connect the several computer, it will become a network. A dash is the term used when a search engine returns a web page that matches the search criteria. A blog, a hit, a link, a success. Answer is, tell me, answer is success. Whatever you are searching, when you get, then it will be your success. A dash contains specific rules and words that express the logical steps of algorithm. Answer is syntax, programming structure, programming language and logic chart. A dash contains specific rule and word that express the logical steps of the algorithm. Is called syntax. Changing an existing document is called dash the document. Creating, editing, modifying and adjusting. When you change your document, what it is called? It is called editing. Virtual memory is a memory on the hard disk that the CPU uses an extended RAM. In RAM, only necessary if you do not have any RAM in your computer, a backup device for a floppy disk. Repeating it, virtual memory is the memory on the hard disk that the CPU uses an extended RAM. In RAM, virtual memory is in RAM. Only necessary if you do not have any RAM in your computer. Is it possible the computer will run without the RAM? A backup device for floppy disk. Answer is memory on the hard disk that the CPU uses in extended RAM. 19 question. Computer use the dash number system to store data and perform calculation. In which system computer store the data? Which number computer recognize? It is a option is decimal, hexadecimal, octal and binary. It is a binary. Computer understand only 0 and 1. That is called it is binary. The dash key will launch the start buttons. Escape, shift, windows and shortcut. Which key is the start button in window? This is a window key. So today the quiz is finished, and how many answer you get correct, please send me on the comment. And if you like this quiz, then please comment and run and share and subscribe it if you have not subscribed it till now. And then thank you viewers. You are welcome to see my more videos.